Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and the app causing late notifications. Open Settings and go straight to Apps, then Special Access, and pick Optimize Battery Usage. You must turn off optimization for the specific app. This prevents the system from delaying its background work. Once done, go to the app's own settings and enable background activity and auto start if available. Do this now so the system won't throttle the app. These immediate steps unblock real-time delivery. Next, make sure Android won't kill the app. Lock it in recent apps or mark it protected if your OEM offers that. Then open data usage and allow unrestricted data access plus background data for both Wi-Fi and mobile so notifications aren't blocked when data saver is on. Also verify notification importance or priority is set to high and do not disturb exceptions include the app. Once configured, reboot the device so settings apply cleanly and the app reconnects to push services. Finish by rebooting and immediately testing notifications using the app's test feature or sending a message from another device. If notifications remain late, clear the app cache, confirm you have the latest app update, and sign out and back in to refresh push tokens. Reinstall only if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if everything on device looks correct, verify server-side delivery times. Sometimes backend queuing causes delays, so contact the app provider after you rule out local throttling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.